In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set working hours in Slack. This process will help you manage your notification settings and ensure that Slack respects your downtime. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Slack desktop app or open Slack in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your workspace. If not, enter your login details and get connected. Once you're in, you'll be able to customize your notification schedule to fit your specific work habits and preferences. Now, turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Preferences. This is where you'll find all the options you need to customize your Slack experience. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Notifications section within the Preferences menu. Once there, scroll down until you see the Do Not Disturb and Working Hours section. This is the key area for managing your availability and when you receive Slack notifications. Consider this your control center for ensuring that your work-life balance is preserved. Within this section, you'll find the option to set your working hours or manage your notification schedule. If this feature isn't already activated, make sure to toggle it on. This will enable Slack to recognize when you're officially on the clock and when you're offline. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to set your working days. Simply select the days of the week that you typically work, such as Monday through Friday. If there are days when you don't want to be disturbed, like on weekends, make sure to uncheck those boxes. Next, configure your working hours by setting your start time and end time. For example, you might choose to start at 9 o'clock a.m. and finish at 6 p.m. With these settings in place, Slack will only send you notifications during your designated working hours. Rest assured that outside of these times, Slack will mute notifications, allowing you to enjoy some peace and quiet. Here's a handy tip. Double check that your time zone in Slack is correctly set to ensure that all your scheduling is accurate. Having the wrong time zone could lead to receiving notifications outside of your preferred window. Finally, after you've set everything to your liking, be sure to click Save if required. This confirmation step ensures that all your settings are applied. From now on, Slack will respect your working hours for notifications, do not disturb schedules, and even status updates, meaning you have more control over your workspace environment. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting your working hours in Slack. By tailoring these settings, you can focus on what matters most without the distraction of unwanted notifications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you maintain a better work-life balance.